G'day, we just got this new fridge. I'll get it out of the ute and we'll have a rundown of it and see what you reckon. It's a new companion. 045. 45 litre fridge. Now I picked this fridge. Should be good, Bluetooth compatible, sit in the ute, dial it up on my phone, get the app, see how cold it is, see what my battery temp is. Right, we'll get it out of this box and we'll see how it looks. I was no good as a kid, Christmas time. I'd unwrap all my presents, leave the instructions in the boxes, Mum would throw them out, then I'd be all upset and sooking because I didn't know how the bloody things would work. So, there you have it. We've got a bag in here, 12, 24, 240 volt. Nice bag to make it stay cooler. Companion, Primus, all made by the same mob. Right, we've got an owner's manual there. Won't need that. Got a couple of gel satchels. We don't want those buggers. All right, we'll get the get it in the bag and we'll have a look. Okay, we've got our instructions. We've got a 240 volt power lead, cigarette lighter power supply, which is what we'll use in my ute. On the side here, we've got a 240, 1224 power supply there. Plus a USB port here so you can use it to charge your mobiles or whatever. And plug it in. And I'll give you a rundown on the controls. Get my phone. Okay, on the display, 12.2 volts. Got a light telling us the compressor's running. Max mode, from factory it's on -19 and it's 28 degrees at the moment inside the fridge. If we get our phone, I've got an iPhone. I've already downloaded the app because I have another one of these fridges, but anyway. X, portable fridge, scan devices, X0, it's found the fridge already. Now on here, you can see exactly what's happening to the fridge. So inside my ute, I can look at my phone and go, right, we've got power, the lead hasn't fallen out, or I haven't blown a fuse in the back, or whatever. You can have a battery monitor. It tells you if the compressor's running, what coolant function it's on, and what temperature your fridge is at. It's telling me it's at +27, and it's set at -19. So we'll go into settings here. You can have it as a cooling function to cool really fast if you've just stuck food in, you want it to freeze or want it to get down to temp fast. You've got a battery monitor here, you can tell it when you want to know when to shut off in case you haven't got an auxiliary battery or anything like that. We've got plenty of battery power. It only draws, it says on the top there, What's a draw? 0.89 amp hours. Maximum power consumption 4.5 amps, so it's not a big draw. We'll set the temperature. We don't want it to be a freeze, so we'll set it at about -2, and we'll put the battery on at say 11 volts. That'll let me know when it's at 11 volts. There's an alarm will go off, and we'll have it cool down. So then we just go save settings. Done. A little Bluetooth light will go off in a second because I'm off Bluetooth. No, maybe it won't go off, but it's meant to go off. There it goes, it's gone off now. So if I want to check it, I can just go on the portable fridge. There it is, 12 volts, 26 degrees, it's come down. We've got it set at -2. You can change them on here if you want. I just like it on my phone because I can check it while I'm driving. Alrighty, we might zip her up. Through winter I probably wouldn't bother even zipping it up, but in Bendigo at the moment we've had 43 and 44 and 45 degree temperatures, so every bit of help a fridge can get. Can't go wrong. Like I said before, instructions, nah, who needs them? Interested in reading while you're sitting around a campfire or talking some shit to your friends, you can, oh, I've got some instructions here. Alright, that'll do. All ready for its next adventure.